Are you ready to discover the ultimate way to build a profitable online business from the comfort of your home? Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or looking to scale up, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the affiliate business system, a proven method that's helped thousands achieve financial freedom. At Platinum Business Hub, we've streamlined the path to success in affiliate marketing. Here's why it's the best choice for your affiliate marketing journey: proven success. We've done the heavy lifting, researching and optimizing the best strategies. Step-by-step guidance. Our system guides you every step of the way. Supportive community. Join a network of like-minded entrepreneurs. Ongoing updates. Our system is constantly updated to ensure you're always ahead. Head over to platinumbusinesshub.com and you'll find everything you need to get started. Check out these success stories from people just like you who have turned their passion into profit. Ready to take the leap? Click the link below and start your journey today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and strategies to grow your online business. Let's make your dreams a reality together.